Good morning, everybody. I am Dr. Tracy Sigler. I'm the Department Head for Leadership Studies at the Citadel. I'm going to be working with you for this 8-week session on the Principal Leadership Seminar. As you probably know, this is a requirement for all graduate students to learn about Principal Leadership, which is the cornerstone of the Citadel programs. This is a 0-credit class, so it's basically a pass-fail. And let me know if you have any questions as you move throughout the session. So each week you are going to have I'm going to go ahead and take a look at Module 1. Each week you're going to have one discussion board and one individual assignment. Okay, there's some information about the module. This one starts out with some of the background on the principal leader, presented by one of our own alumni who teaches in the Executive Leadership Academy. Sorry, I had to think of the name. Okay, so you get an introduction. That's the same video, just on a different page. So your discussion this week is to reflect on your own. Oh, somebody's already in there. Reflect on an example of principal leadership. Choose one graduate and read their story, and then answer 2 questions, and then respond to a classmate. So I've changed that. It's supposed to be 2 classmates, so I'll fix that, but I won't count it against you this time through. So there's 1. So you do your post and try to do your post by Wednesday and respond to 2 other posts by Sunday at midnight. And then your first individual written assignment is just for me, and that is to write your own definition of principal leadership. So these don't have to be real long posts, maybe a short paragraph. So that's it for Module 1. As you see in the syllabus here, I'll go ahead and bring it up. I do have due dates, weekly due dates, in the syllabus and built into Canvas, so you'll get reminded to do those every week. You go down to the bottom, but there is no penalty if you don't meet the due date. This is just to try to help you keep you on track. So by the end of the 8-week session, you need to have completed and passed, the majority of these assignments, again, meaning basically submit them in order to get credit for this graduation requirement. So there's the syllabus. Also, if you look at, somehow I got off of my page, there we go. The first module you'll go through, because this might be your first time getting into Canvas, it might be your first experience with the Citadel. You start with the first module, and it gives you a little bit of background about the class. This is me. This is my introduction with my animals, and an introduction to Canvas if you haven't used it before. More detail, my bio and my contact information. Email is really the best way to meet me. And then some information about technical skills for online. So some of you will be in face-to-face graduate programs. Some of you will be in all online. So you might have, nope, we're not using that. So you might have, different levels of expertise and interest with online classes. So this is just some background information on the course and the course learning outcomes. So really we want everybody who goes through the Citadel to have an understanding and exposure to principal leadership. We do offer a certificate in leadership and a master's in leadership for all of you in other programs on the campus. So I hope you enjoy, hope you learn a lot about the Citadel and leadership that helps you with your own leadership moving forward. And please let me know if you have any questions throughout the 8 weeks.